Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear 10th class. How are you my dear students? Dear students, today we will discuss about the sets and its operations, its properties like distributive property of union over intersection and associative property of union or complement, etc. This is exercise 5.3. This is taken from Punjab Textbook Board Bahawalpur. And its question number 1 is that if U means universal set is 1, 2, 3 up to so on 10 and A is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and B is 1, 4, 7, 10. There are 3 sets are given and you can see that set A and set B both are taken from this universal set. Then we will verify first part A difference B is equals to A intersection B complement. Dear student, this question is given in equation form. So as the rule, first of all we will consider any one side, left hand side or right hand side, and then we will find its answer. So first we will take left hand side A difference B. A difference B means we will write the elements of A, difference elements of B. This is difference, not minus, okay? So A difference B means the elements which are present in A but not present in B, means how A is different from set B. So we can say that 1 is common and 7 both are the common. So we will ignore these two elements and we will write 3, 5 and 9. Means A is different in such a way that 3, 5 and 9 are the different elements which are not present in B. So this is answer number 1, and then we will consider right hand side A intersection B complement. First of all we will find B complement. B complement means U difference B. First we will write elements of U universal set 1, 2, 3 up to so on 10, difference B. Set B is 1, 4, 7, 10. So we will take the difference of universal, difference of B from universal. So the answer will be 2, 3, 5, 6 and 9. Means we will write 1 to 10 elements except these 4 elements. Okay, and here is something missing. Here we will write answer number 8. 8 is also its part. 6, 8, 9. Okay, so after that we will write over here A intersection B complement. B complement, here also we will write 8 and then 9. Okay, so when we will take the intersection between these two sets 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, intersection 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 9, then the common elements between these two sets are 3, 5 and 9. Okay, this is answer number 2. Now we will compare both answers. This is answer number 1, 3, 5, 9. Answer number 2 is also 3, 5, 9. So at the end we will write that from answer 1 and answer 2 we get that. Then we will write the whole question. Part number 3. A union B whole complement equals to A complement intersection B complement. This is the first part, any one part of the De Morgan's law. Again, according to that rule, first we will consider left hand side A union B whole complement. A union B means first we will write A union B and we will combine all the elements of both sets 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 10. And then we will take the difference of this set from the universal set. And this is A 1, 2, 3 up to so on 10, difference 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 10. And their difference is 2, 6 and 8. This is the answer of number 1. Right hand side is A complement intersection B complement. First we will consider A complement, then we will consider B complement. First A complement means U difference A, right? The element of set U universal and difference of set A. These are all the odd numbers, so we will write all even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8 are 10. These numbers, these elements are present in A, U but not in A. Universal set difference B set means we will write 1 is present in B, so ignore it. 2, 3, 5, 6, 8 and 9. 1, 4, 7, 10 are present in B, so we will not write these elements here. At the end we will find A complement intersection B complement. A complement intersection B means we will write the common elements between these two sets. And the common elements between these two sets are 2, 6 and 8. So from answer number 1 and answer number 2, this is answer number 1. 268, and this is answer number 2 is this also 268. From 1 and 2 we will compare that A union B whole complement equals to A complement intersection B complement. Part number 5 is A difference B whole complement is equals to A complement union B. Again, take or consider left hand side A difference B whole complement. First of all, we will find A difference B. Write the set of A difference set of B. 1 is present in both sets, so ignore it. 3, 5 and 7 is also present in it, so ignore it, and then write 9. 3, 5 and 9 are the elements which are present in A but not in B. After that, we will take the complement of that set. Complement means we will take the difference of set that answer from universal set. Answer will be 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8 and 10. This is answer number 1. Now move to second side, right hand side, A complement union B. A complement union B means A complement means U difference A, which is 1, 2, up 3 up to so on 10, difference 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So we will consider it 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and A complement union B. So write A complement union set of B. Set of B is 1, 4, 7, 10. So write 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. This is the and after that we will take the union means combine 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8 and 10. This is answer number 2. Now we will compare 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 10. 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 10. Both answers are equal. Hence proved. Question number 2 is if A is equals to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, B is 1, 4, 7, 10, C is 1, 5, 8, 10. Now we are going to perform the operations between 3 sets. This is the set of associative, this is the property, associative property of intersection between these 3 sets. Consider left hand side. First we will take A intersection B. Like that method, we will take the common elements and after that we will write A intersection B intersection C. Answer of A intersection B intersection set C. So answer is 1. Now we will consider right hand side, which is A intersection B intersection C. B intersection C means 1 and 10 and now A intersection into B intersection C. So that with that method the answer will be again same and the answer is 1 and 2. Both are equal, so answer is the set 1, singleton set. Part number 3, A union B intersection C is equals to A union B intersection A union C. This is the distributive property of union over intersection. Okay, my dear students, sometime examiner give the question, give 3 sets and then give the statement that prove the distributive property of union over intersection. Then you must be understood that it means that we will write A union into B intersection C is equals to A union B intersection A union C. Now we will consider left hand side. Again, first we will find B intersection C, the common elements between these 2 sets which are 1 and 10. Then we will find the union between set A and this answer. And the answer is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and 10. This is answer number 1. Consider right hand side, A union B intersection A union C. A union B, right, set A union set B. And after that we will take the union between these 2 sets. And then A union C means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 union 1, 5, 8, 10. Means we will find, and at the end we will find the intersection between these 2 sets. And the intersection between these 2 sets is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and 10. And from 1 and 2 answers, now you can compare this 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 10. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 10. Both answers are equal. So we can say that left hand side is equal to the right hand side.